today's video is about why is the trending option missing on YouTube. As you can see, there is no trending option. In YouTube, you can find some video about how to get back the trending option in YouTube, but none of them are working. The truth is, YouTube has officially removed the old trending tab as of July 2025. They did not delete the trending video option, just they changed the way how you can find them. Instead of one big trending page, YouTube now showing trending content in different categories like music, gaming, movies and more. So how to get the trending content now? First, open Play Store and update your YouTube app if there are any update available. Then open YouTube and go to Explore tab. Inside the Explore tab, you can see these options. That's where trending content lives now. So the trending tab is not gone, it just moved and got smarter. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. You can drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you.